As someone new to the DevOps world, it's quite easy to be overwhelmed by the mere number of tools out there for automation. Different organizations use different combinations of these tools which work best for their needs. Through our DevOps experience, we try to understand the needs of the industry and how these tools help realize them. Number 1. We do not want to install stuff manually. We used Ansible to automate all our setups. We wrote Ansible playbooks which could spin off virtual machines on the cloud and install our applications as specified. For infrastructure services, we experimented with Amazon Web Services, DigitalOcean, and Microsoft Azure. And as for the apps, we tried deploying a Node.js application and a Java-based application. Number 2. Do my developers need to know all the DevOps stuff? Absolutely no. We found ways to link our automation scripts to GitHub using hooks. For a developer, it's as easy as pushing his code to the repo. Our automation scripts take up from there, building the code and deploying it on the servers. We also link the build results to a Jenkins server, so it's easy to monitor the build results live. Number 3. What if there are bugs in the code? Using Jenkins, we found it was very easy to link our test scripts along with the build process. We made our code deploy only if all the tests passed. The test results, code coverage, and history were all made available on Jenkins so anyone could check back later. We also added some mutations to the source code to actually check whether the test scripts served any real purpose. Additionally, we had analysis components in place which could flag bad code pushed by the developers. The bad code could be in terms of aesthetics, readability, long methods, etc. Number 4. I need my applications up 24/7. We deployed our apps on multiple servers and maintained them using a Nomad cluster, which gives a very high level of reliability of service. Even if one of the servers go down, others can automatically take over the request. So basically your services never go down. Number 5. What happens when I'm updating my applications? We added options on the production servers to either do a canary release or a rolling update. In a canary release, the new version of the code is tested only on a small portion of the user traffic. The infrastructure looks for red flags in the new version and stops routing traffic to it if there are any alerts raised. If we wish to do a rolling update instead, we bring down the servers one at a time and upgrade them so that all the user requests can be addressed by the rest of the available servers. Number 6. How do I monitor my applications? We're working on a central dashboard to monitor performance metrics of the applications that we deployed. As a first step, we created a flame graph which monitors the CPU process usage for each server. We finally plan to provide a UI and ways to monitor a couple of these metrics visually. These are work in progress still. The idea is that these metrics can be crucial to understanding your daily usage patterns and check if you want to scale up your services or even come and check back in case something bad happens.